Now, let's talk about division of whole numbers. So, how are we going to divide whole numbers? There are so many ways to divide a whole numbers. The other one is you can make 6 boxes and distribute the number 42. Or the other way around is you start from 42 and subtract 6. And let's see on how many times you subtract 6 from 42. So you have here 42 minus 6. That would be 36. Minus 6, 30. Minus 6, 24. Minus 6, 18. Minus 6, 12. Minus 6, and 6. Minus 6, 0. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the answer here is 7. So 7 times 6 is 42. Okay. Let's have the second one. 20. So from 20, how many times we subtract 5? So 20 minus 5, 15. Minus 5, 10. Minus 5, 5. Minus 5, 0. So you have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have here 4. 4 times 5, 20. So that would be 0. Okay. So for the first two example, that is one way on how you divide whole numbers. Another way around is you can draw 9. You can draw 9 boxes or number of boxes and distribute the whole number inside. But in a big number like this, 81 and 9, it will consume much time. So the other way around is you recall on what multiple is 81, or at what number is 81 multiples of 9. So if we recall the multiplication table, 81 is 9th multiple of 9. So you have here 9. So 9 times 9 is 81 equals 0. 81 is a 9th multiple of 9. For number 4, we have here 20. So 100 divided by 20. So how many 20s are there in 100? So either you do the subtraction, repeated subtraction, or you recall, or you're going to multiply 20 until you get 100. Or so you have 20. So how many 20 are there in 100? They have 5. So 5 times 20 is 100 plus 0. Or if you do the repeated subtraction, you have 100 minus 20, that would be 80, minus 20, that would be 60, minus 20, that would be 40, minus 20, that would be 20 minus 20, 0. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have here 5. For number 5, 48 divided by 16. So if you do the continuous subtraction, how many 16? How many times you subtract 16 from 48? So that would be 3. So let's have a clear writing. Okay. So 3 times 16 is 48. So that would be 0. Okay. For the last number, 27 divided by 81. So how many 27 are there in 81? So if we do so this time let's try continuous addition. So other way around, you can try the continuous addition. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, that's 21. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So you have here 3. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 27s in 81. Okay, so you have here, so 3.